What's up, guys? James Palms here. It's almost mid-November now. I think it's November 8th or something like that. On the weekend here, it's about 12 degrees, 10 degrees, something like that, and sunny. Gorgeous day. Finally lost all the leaves off this magnolia tree. It was keeping them until just the other night. We got another hard frost. Actually, it was last night. Got to cut the grass and mow the grass and do a few other things. But yeah, as you can see, all the palms are still out. Still actually haven't even brought in my larger potted stuff. Brought in some of the smaller stuff a while back, but just for the reason that it was getting cool one night, but they could have actually stayed out. Just never did it. Never brought them back out. Just the sun's getting harder to buy. The angles, you got to kind of move it against the side of the house, and I just left them inside. I got them in my like in a closet, so I got them in there and just forget about them. But grass is looking good still. Here's my male windmill. These guys can last quite a while. I'm going to the Caribbean in a couple weeks though, so I have to cover these up before I go away, of course. And maybe not these guys. I might leave these guys. I don't know. I haven't decided. I'm coming back I'm coming back mid-December, so I might want to cover them up before I go. It just depends. I just don't want to get caught in some snow, but yeah. Small Mexican fan palms, the ones I grew from seed, still looking great. No frost burn yet or anything. All we've had is about 3. Last night was, I believe, our 3rd. We've only had 2 frosts before that. Been warm nights, especially for this late in November. And here's the other bigger one. Looking just awesome. Loving the sun right now. Feels pretty nice in the sun. About 10, 12 degrees, something like that, Celsius. So I don't know what that is, maybe 55 Fahrenheit. It actually feels pretty good. This is one of the cooler days. All week it was actually pretty hot up near the sunny and 75 range. A couple of days were even a little warmer than that, actually sweating at work. It's been pretty nice. Not quite summer, but nice, really nice warm fall days. Room temperature with a slight breeze. All the baby palms looking great. Pool, I took the ladder out. I just got to clean maybe 1 or 2 more leaves out of there. That's about it. I'm just leaving it like this for the winter. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just going to dump a bit of chlorine in and make sure I keep the leaves out of it. They're done falling from this tree, so you're not really going to get too many more in here, so I'm just going to leave it like this. And then that way all I got to do is fill it up in the spring. I don't have to put the silly cover on, because the cover is a nightmare and it gets dirty water on it and you got to pump the water off. I just figured, what's the point? Female looking great. Seeds are almost ready, I'm thinking. I don't know. I wish they would just turn purple though sometime soon, and then I cut them off before I close it up, but just pounds and pounds and pounds of seeds. Really starting to hang down and pull some of these fronds, create a little bit of space here from the newer head of fronds and the older ones that are getting tugged down by these heavy seed pods here. Man, these things are crazy huge, crazy big, crazy heavy. But yeah, I might not do it. I might not pollinate them another time just because I don't need any more of these seeds, but they're there anyways. Last night, I think, was the first night. These cannas actually looked good here until last night. They actually looked really nice. The other day, I was just going to say it was funny. Still got some green leaves on them. I was like, it's so funny how they're still looking nice. Even I had some flowers out front that were looking really nice too. But yeah, I brought in my big Christmas palm. You can see it in the window there. This guy's daylily starting to flower. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, I still got some palms. These bigger palms and my bigger Mexican fan palm out there are still outside. Might as well show you the out front here. Yeah, these ones here have just been sitting there, just collecting a bit of morning sun. Looking great. Like I said, nothing below 0, so no need. Had a couple frosts, 3 frosts, so nothing, no real zeros or anything like that. The male over here looking great. Female over there looking awesome. Yeah, I gotta cut the grass. Gonna vacuum up all these leaves with the lawnmower. But there's the Mexican fan palm poking over the fence. Harley Quinn got all the Halloween decorations down. Starting to put up the Christmas decorations. Got the wreath and a couple things. Gotta start doing the Christmas decorations. Those were the flowers. Hello, Harley. Can really see all the little baby palms there. These ones get hit with the lawnmower, but hundreds of little baby palms all around there. Thought about digging some of them up and planting them somewhere else, because they're fine here at the base for now, but I might dig up some of those ones maybe in the back or some of these and plant them in other spots, let them do a little more. Maybe try some protection without any heat. Well, that's it, guys, for the yard here. Sorry, I need my sunnies on. That's it for the yard, though. It's actually the 9th. I just looked right now. It's November 9th. It was December 9th. That'd be really good. Yeah, December 9th. So yeah, it's this guy here just sitting here at the side of the house. Tall in a pot here. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. More palm tree videos here. Not quite ready. I think maybe next weekend. Haven't even thought about trying to protect these yet. No real cold weather. Somebody was saying, when are you going to do it? I don't do it until it needs it. Like these are still in the sun. You can see right here. This is November 9th. This is second week of November. It could be third week of November. It could be fifth. Could be first week of December. 4 weeks after this. It could be any time. But I don't really do it. This is a nice day if I wanted to do it, but they don't really need to be done yet. So, and I think the forecast is looking good. So maybe next weekend, I think, even though it's still nice, I know that I'm going to start pushing it, and I have a trip coming up. So I'm going to the Caribbean, so I won't be here to do it. So, but if you got time and you don't mind waiting till you see the forecast change, perfect time to go to do them. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Later.